The global lighting industry is sunsetting fluorescent technology. To enhance sustainability and eliminate the use of harmful mercury, new laws in Canada and several U.S. states ban or restrict the manufacture and sale of fluorescent bulbs. And that trend is growing. In a few short months, the number of states that have adopted the legislation has nearly doubled. If you are still using fluorescent lamps, now is the time to switch to LEDs to get the best performance out of your lighting system, save money, and prevent downtime. As restrictions expand, demand will decrease and manufacturers will stop making and selling fluorescent lamps and ballasts. In fact, Lutron stopped selling fluorescent ballasts at the end of 2023. Lutron offers a variety of pre-kitted LED upgrade kits to easily update the lighting on your Lutron system with no rewiring or reprogramming. To begin your upgrade to LEDs, contact your local Lutron rep or distributor.